Hi guys, let me tell you about this is Cryptomania. This Cryptomania, if you can be able to withdraw or not, I'm going to show you all the process here.
Is a app to learn is not able to withdraw your cash earning or is not able to cash out from this or is not able to deposit and is not able to change. So this you see here, because there is no withdrawal list here, no any withdrawal list here and no any other promo. If you are able to deposit instantly, you can deposit, but I don't think that the amount you see here, is for you to use it as to learn trading. The amount you see here is for you to use it to learn trading, because no way, no one can tell you, wait, let me see, phone, your phone is 6,000, but I did not trading balance. So forget all that they are saying here. Forget all that they are talking here. But you cannot withdraw, because let me just say it. If you watch one video now, you get three
Do you want this 10K product
$100.
that can be repaid after
That
180
it
days?
must
I don't
see
want
it
it. The loan amount is too
live.
small.
So let's see.
Do you want this 91 days one that can borrow 100K? I don't want it. The repayment time is
Okay. Right. I've seen the money was increased after 300 plus. So, and here there is no way for you to withdraw it. Based on says, look, let me check. Mm, you see, many people are review and many people are downloading it. So let me see if this in there was okay, dear user, thank you for sharing. Let's see, I saw one of comment that the owner of this is will also apply for it. So this comment here is there is no option of where you can buy bitcoins wallet, no transfer it. I can't understand the apps. Even if I want withdraw, even if withdraw money from my bank account, there is no option to withdraw it back if you feel like this app like look like a game. Okay, this is the owner of the app replying. As you can see, this is the owner of the app replying. He said, thanks, this is a free educational trading similar where real exchanging rate instrument, but all the money is play money that can be withdraw that can't be withdraw cannot be withdraw. So or deposit cannot be withdraw or deposit. Here you can play and learn the basic of trading without any risk. You can use this experience when you trading with your own phone. We wish you success and hope to get more star. You see, it's truly this app wasn't for a real trading. It's just for you to understand how is trading. We are going to trading to reward ending. How can you imagine watch a video single 30 second you earn $30, $300? So it's not possible. See, it's not possible now for you. If you know you want to use this app and learn, use it and learn. But they do not find out that this app you can withdraw money. No, They do not tell you this app is a scammer to withdraw your money. No, you can't withdraw successfully. What you see in the wallet here, you cannot withdraw it. It's not your money, it's for you to learn. So let me tell you, if you still have more time, try. You see, that is what is this thing. It still is was showing me that I invest 1,000 naira, but it's all about. So no thing. See, all here was showing this trading objective. That is a different crypto here. See, I change it to this is crypto bitcoins, but not well like as a real for me to say let me withdraw. No. So for you to understand this app much, you guys, please be understanding of your friends saying and be aware of all lot of things that you're wasting your time with. So for you to confirm, because most of people even they are saying that withdrawing approve, withdrawing this thing, no. Truly this one you cannot be able to withdraw. I find out all the secret of this. After you learn, then you can use this crypto and you earn your own money with your own phone, because any crypto you must fund. You must first deposit before you earn a lot of currency. So use it as a for you to learn more and more experience about it. Thanks you guys. Just follow me with this top like and subscribe.